part like closed like that? This kid, like,
You need to watch out for me. You can work out there. Yeah. Look, I got stuck. I got stuck.
Daddy, come out.
Oh, did he? It's okay.
okay.
Jasmine, look for sand crabs. Look for the sand crabs. Look for the sand crabs, the one we caught last time. Rồi lắc cá hậu vào. Ủa, thay telego nào.
Hey guys, so we just got done eating from this, and we're at the beach. Yay. And yeah, we're gonna go into the water. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, Samantha's mom and Santina, she put her own daughter, and she was crying, like just like so much, and I'm just like, and I just like was helping her. 'Cause I'm happy to get that done. And also, the dad, this is my dad's phone. You guys, in Cyrus, yeah, the enemy are known. No. This is a monster. Yeah, this is a monster. That is what I'm listening to. Yeah, ready? Ready? That sound is the better. That's it. they're doing.
Honestly, I don't know.
Let's maybe we'll do it. I have a swimmer now.
I think she might have to come look at the
No! Stop! And Samantha, I mean not Samantha, but Chloe and Kayla are in the car. They are hiding somewhere outside, I don't know. Okay. Wait! Wait for it! Wait, Daddy! I'm going up. Look. Up. Up here. Wait, what's up there? I have my vision from where my